Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and today we're going to unbox Raquel Welch. Now this is a brand new style for 2022. It is called Go To Style and the color is RL19 23, which of course is SS Biscuit, one of my very favorite Raquel Welch styles. Now I am wearing my brand new Raquel Welch Untold Story in Fiery Copper. I have a review on this. I will link it below where I go side by side and show you this versus Upstage. All right, let's take a few minutes and talk about Go To Style. Okay, let's have a look at this new style from Raquel Welch. They always have a little care card, a little card about it. And comes boxed just like this. So you get a good look at that. Now you know these are heat-friendly fibers. I love Shaded Biscuit. It's just such a pretty color. Let's get it out of the netting. Alright, okay, lace front, mono part. Give you a look at that. Left mono part. Extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Closed ear tabs with stays. Let's see, there's a lot of stretch here. Good bit of stretch here. Looks like there's going to be a little permatease right there. This is a very nice long, look how far down the lace front goes into the ear tab. We'll take a close-up look at that as well. All right, short style, beautiful color. Let's try this on. Okay, let's give it a shake and try this on. Okay, it fits me a little large. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. Short style. Just see how this is going to work. Now you know the first thing I do with every new wig I have is I spray it with some water. I want to see what I'm working with here. I like to separate the fibers. Let me make sure I've got that good. Yes. I'm going to run my wide tooth comb all the way to the cap, separate it, lift the fibers from the cap. I like to do that, gives them some movement. Like I said, now let me show you. It has this part, you can see my wig grip. All right, this is going to be a little longer on the front. I like that it's already contoured. You really don't have to do anything there. As far as getting it off your face, if that's your preference, it's already done for you. That's nice. Nice profile here. Now I like these that come down a little bit like that. That's really trendy and nice. Let's see what the back looks like. I haven't seen it, so I don't know. I can tell you that this nape fits really close to the neck. I like that. You can move your head around. You can, it's not lifting at all off the nape. Okay, so permatease. The slightest amount there. Just going to feel through here, of course. It's just very minimal all over. Just a very minimal amount all over. Just to let you know that. Out of the box style here. Let's see the coverage. Very good coverage. There's my bio hair here, and the ear tab fits me right there, right at the top of my ear. Now this is a fun summer style. Like I said, throw it on and go. Right out of the box, get your hands in it, pull this away. I just feel like you really need to pull this one away from the cap when you first take it out of the box. Might need to soak this one a little. It looks like it has a little box hair there, but I'll probably just soak this in some cold water for about 10 or 15 minutes, hang it upside down to dry, and that will take care of that right away. Okay, this color, let me look, just let you have a look at the lace front. Now this is lighter around the face, as you will see. They have brought the highlighting the rooting all the way down. Just want to make sure you get a good look at that. So this is a light ash blonde with a darker root, evenly blended. It has that cool platinum running all through here. Platinum blonde, different shades of blonde, very ashy color. I'm going to show it to you, of course, in outdoor lighting. Nice new style. All right, let's see if this is glasses friendly. Yes, I have to wear my glasses, so I always want to make sure those work well. They do. You know, this, like I said, has this little longer front. If you want to pin this back, you could pull this forward. You could pin it back on both sides. That would work. Use some styling product to really texture this out, which I think would be nice with this style as well. Tuck it behind your ears easily. Yep, that's easy with that one. Let's see what else. I'm going to pull it back and off. Really casual look. And just pull a little bit out around where my bow hair is coming out. And it has that little longer, so that's kind of cute. Just pull that out around your face and makes it more sleek, super casual. Like I said, it has that mono part, so you've got that going on there. I really like these longer fronts. All right, the specs on Go to Style. Let's look at this. The bang is 6.5. It's that long bang. I like that. The crown is 5 on this. The sides are short too. Short sides here. The back's 2.5. The nape is 4, and it weighs 2.8 ounces. Here's a look at the inside of the cap for Go to Style. Lace front, as we were saying, goes way down into the ear tabs, really nice, into a mono part. There's no transition here, no seam here. A little bit of permatease, like we talked about, open wefted. Has the memory cap with the polyurethane, extended felt nape, and Velcro adjusters. And there's some stretch here. And here is another look at SS Biscuit. I hope you enjoyed this short review of Raquel Welch Go to Style in SS Biscuit. I enjoyed making this. I like these fun, short summer styles. Be sure to have a look at this at wigstudio1.com. Also, follow me over on Instagram. Lots of fun things happening on my Instagram. And I also have a website, Crazywiglady.com. I'll put it up here somewhere. I sell some of my gently used wigs for my personal collection over there. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.